and you're already standing. Meanwhile, your enemy is fighting you. He has killed a child to just murder you, has given cows, cattle, so that you don't become rich. And some of you are just like, yeah. Some of your prayers are too posh. Father, I love you so much. Meanwhile, the devil is like, this one, let's kill him. This one will not have a child. This woman will remain barren. And they go, I just love you. And then the tongues come, little song crowley. You need machine gun tongues. Machine gun. I said what? Machine gun. Yes. What is your problem?